So, I decided to pull out the wiring loom and have a bit of a sticky beak around. And as you can see, the power was on. I think I might have accidentally found out how to make this thing faster. I'll show you what I'm doing all in one take. I'm going to squeeze the throttle. Obviously the wheel's not contacting anything. I unplugged one wire just to see if it would still work, and it sounds like it's buzzing a hell of a lot harder than what it was before. So to show you what I mean, here's a full power pull. Alright, now all I did was unplug this wire. Now just by the sound of that, it sounds like it's pulling with a lot more torque. Alright, now let's plug this bad boy back in. I do not recommend hot swapping like that, but so I really don't know what that's doing, and I won't know till I ride it. So I'm going to tuck all this away, wrap up that live. We'll go for a ride and try and break something.